tempo rise. Open up my eyes, cut through disguise. Shock in the skies. Shock in the skies. Shock in the skies. Shock in the skies. If doubt tries to creep, I'll push it in the deep. My courage I will keep, awaken from sleep. Shock in the sky. The night sends out a call, oh, 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 through echoes in the hall, oh, oh, oh. I'm ready for it all, oh, oh, oh. I rise, I stand tall. Velocity must try, nothing left to hide. This is my pride, running side to side. I feel the rhythm rise, like fire in my eyes, lighting up the sky. Velocity tonight, carrying me through the light. I take off into flight with the future shining bright. Speed, let the tempo race. Shift into new space. This is my chase. Feel the bass. Waves of neon chase my feet. Rhythm pulls me to the beat. Energy that feels complete. Running through the street. Shadows twist along the walls. Echoes slide through empty halls. I rise above the falls, entering night's call. I feel the tempo rise, running through my eyes. No more disguise, only truth survives. If the night wants more of me, I'll give it endlessly. Moving wild and free in perfect binary lights around, pulses lit from the ground. I follow the sound where energy is found. Digital winds collide with rhythms amplified. I feel electrified and unified. Every signal calls, breaking down the wall. I rise instead of fall. I give it my digital heat wave burning bright, running wild through the night, turning shadows into light, rising into sight. Heat, let the circuits glow. Heat, let the rhythm flow. Heat, take control. Heat, run the show. If the world powers down, I won't ever drown. I'll take back the crown and wear it around. As the system cools, I break every rule. My heart remains full, digital and true. Thunder echoes in the street, bass vibrating through my feet. Night feels sharp and sweet, pulling me to the beat.